If your lemon tree is laden with fruit, you know what they say. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Well, here's my modern take on a childhood classic, my lemon and mint Chia Fresca. This recipe is super simple. It only contains 5 ingredients, the first being lemon juice. So squeeze some fresh lemon juice. I like to use 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice to 1 cup of water or coconut water. Now I'm using coconut water today because it has those natural electrolytes, leaving you really refreshed and hydrated. I'm going to use a jar to make mixing this drink super easy. So I think I've got about 2/3 of a cup of lemon juice. So it goes straight in there. And 2 cups of coconut water. Now, if you haven't used chia seeds before, they are a great source of omega-3s, those essential fatty acids that you need in your diet. So I'm going to pop in about a tablespoon of chia seeds. For a little bit of extra sweetness on top of the coconut water, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of rice malt syrup, which looks very similar to honey, but it's just not as sweet. It's really low in fructose actually. And then for some garden freshness, some beautiful mint. Now you can pick the leaves or you could just pop it straight in there, just like that. Grab your lid and put it on. Of course, you can make larger quantities of this drink. And then give it a good shake. Next, just pop your drink in the fridge and allow those flavors to develop and the chia seeds to swell. To serve, I like to choose some funky retro glassware. I've got some ice in there. Pour it straight in. Give it a little mix. And you can see that the chia seeds have just become a little bit more jelly-like. This Mexican-inspired non-alcoholic drink is perfect for the modern day girl.